Ooh. Now the gates are open.
Continue on Sunrise Highway for 7 miles.
This is a Sunrise Highway. The gate said closed by snow. So when it gets snow here, we're headed towards Mount Laguna. And yeah, caution, snowplow working. Okay, so this is possibly a heavy snow area. We still have clear conditions. No precipitation is expected. We'll have some cooler temperatures. I think the reason they call this the Sunrise Highway is because it's on the east side of the mountains, basically the mountain range. So heading towards Laguna Mountain. Oh, I guess there's falling rocks possible up here to our right. Anyway, so being on the east side should be quite a spectacular view of sunrises. So anyway, we're gonna get up here and we're gonna go up and eat at some point here today. We need to eat soon, and we're gonna find a place to camp. It's getting mid-afternoon. We might go. We're gonna stop at a big overlook. All right, let's just do that first, and one thing at a time here. Okay, everybody. All right. We just seem to keep climbing in elevation. We are up from the 4,200 feet in the last video. We've left there. And we're heading towards Mount Laguna. And it just seems like we've been going uphill ever since. So I don't have my altimeter handy. I don't know what the elevation is here. But I know we've been going up. It seems like we're probably up to around 5 or so by now. I don't know. That's hard to judge. But the lookout that we are going to is supposed to be very, very popular with the hang gliders. So there should be quite the view. Speaking of quite the views, wow, it's a little bit of rock slide going on there. Look to the left. We're gonna be stopping up here pretty soon, and we'll get a better look. It's pretty nice up here. Pretty nice. We are still not high enough. We gotta climb some more. Let's just keep on climbing. Up the mountain. You'll see in a minute why they call this the Sunrise Highway. There was a number of views we didn't stop at. We're gonna get out to this nice one, and you'll see. But there's been similar views to the east, and it's going to be spectacular sunrises here. See where the sun's at now. It's getting mid to late. Okay. Oh, here's the sign. Now we're at elevation 5,000 feet. Okay, but we gotta climb more. 5,000's not high enough. Icy conditions possible. Wow. Just when you think you're gonna get to the top, then you go around the bend and there's more climbing. There, yeah, it would seem like we're cresting at the top, right? It would seem like it. We're actually gonna go downhill. Oh, the view. I should have my other camera ready. Don't worry, we're almost there. 1 more mile to go.
Take the next left onto Coachmen Point.
Wow. Oh boy. It's gonna be a cool night.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Look at the snow with the snowplow.
Your destination is on the left.
having to do a little bit of a trick to block the wind here, way up high on this hill. There's a pretty good breeze going. We're going to walk down here just a little bit to a point that I read somewhere online. This is popular with hang gliders, and I think this is the gorge that they hang glide down into. And right over here is they must go down right in there from various spots up along that little pathway. I think that's the old road actually, but yeah, so that's it. They hang glide down. Oh man, no thanks. I'm not hang gliding's never appealed to me. I'll just put it that way. Okay. I think there's a little town. You know, that road goes down to their little town. I'm sure there's a recovery point to pick them up after the flight. So we're gonna take a walk up here, up onto the point. I'm sure Bella's ready to go. Yeah, we came down we were up in Julian, California, and we came down here, and this was the original road. This is the bypass, kind of the scenic bypass sort of thing that takes us down to Interstate 8. So we took the scenic routes up, camping and picnic areas and various overlooks and trailheads and stuff all along this route. The thing with Bella, I think she's adopted Chuck and Holly. Most people she won't go with. Maybe she'll, like where she's at now, she may wander off a little bit with somebody. I mean, our friends, not with just anybody. But see, she knows where they went. But she'll walk off further with Chuck than anybody else. So next to me, Chuck's probably her next closest human. She's quite comfortable with him. She thinks it's okay to go with him. Well, there's still a point. She'll reach a point where she's like, I don't know, I'm gone. Maybe I should go back to Dad. Then she comes back. But she'll go a further distance with him, like without asking if it's okay, or waiting for the okay. See, at this point, she's not even waiting for me. She knows I'm going to meet up. She knows we're going to catch them. And look, she's way up. She's way up top. Hey, you wait. Nope. Nope. Okay, I don't know how many would carry their stuff all the way up here, but this seems like there's a little bench here. And there's a little grave with a Santa Claus hat on it. What looks like a little grave. Don't know what might be there. This is right here. It's just a sheer drop off. All right, we're gonna work our way back here a little bit. Look, snow. I haven't I don't mess with this stuff too often anymore. Okay, been there, done that. All right, Chuck came across a little plaque up here. That's, I mean, look where we're at. Okay, we're just kind of in the wilderness here, up above 5,000 feet, amongst all this rock and vegetation. Chuck spotted a little plaque on that stone in there. What's that say?
In loving memory, Joseph Feuermarsh, 1975 to 2016.
2016. I wonder if maybe there was a hang gliding accident.
We could look up his name.
That, because this is a popular hang gliding area. I get, you know, from what I gather, that's the launching area over there that's popular, and down into the, and down they go. So maybe it's you know, I can only guess. Maybe we can do some Google research and maybe search that name. Maybe something will come up. Maybe it won't. Oh, so that's why. That's all to the east. So you can imagine with this view, you know, the sun coming out way out in the distance. This has to offer some of the best sunrises. It's got to be incredible all the way up here. A lot of sandstone. And here's something I didn't catch. I did know it was in the area from other research, taking other routes, and I did know it was in the area. I didn't realize that we were actually on part of this route. It's the Pacific Crest Trail, National Scenic Trail. So that's a part of it. I can now say that we hiked part of the Pacific Crest Trail. It might not have been very much of it, but I can legitimately say that, right?
Continue on Sunrise Highway for 1 mile.
All right. All right, this is the Laguna Mountain Recreation Area. Oh, and this is the Cleveland National Forest in California, of course. So, all right, where are we at? Where's my GPS? What's going on here?
Continue on Sunrise Highway for 3 miles.
I got my map back. Here it is, Laguna and El Prado Campground. U.S. Department of Agriculture, Forest Service. No gates are closed.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
No entry, gates are closed. That's the gate to the campground loop. Or group camp, anyway.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Sunrise Highway.
Bella, what is this? What is this stuff? Her claws dig in, right? They're like studded snow tires. I think we made a wrong turn. It sure seems like it, being up here in the snow. What are we thinking? What are we doing? Not to worry, this is gonna be a short-term adventure. We're gonna be up in these elevations, I think, for 1 night, possibly 2. Wait a minute, are we in the snow? Ooh. We might have just had a big change in plans. We might not spend any nights up here in the cold. We could get down off this mountain range. We could go to the east, we could go to the west. It wouldn't take too long to get there and be down. We really just kind of sightseeing. We wanted to go to Julian in the last video, and we want to kind of snoop at some of these overlooks, which we did. And what is really weird, just missed it to the right, is we can see down in the lower desert where it's warm from here. We're up here in the cold and snow, but we can see where it's warm out from here. Anyway, you know, we're not gonna backtrack and go way down over that way. We're gonna continue on our loop, on our planned loop that we still have plenty to see and do. We're not gonna miss anything. We did see what we wanted to see up here was some of these. Let's take this mountain, you know, the Sunset Trail, or the Sunset Byway or Highway, whatever, and stop at some of these pull-offs, the overlooks and stuff, on our way down to our primary goal in this whole trip, which we'll get to eventually. All right, so, but we thought, if there's free camping up here, maybe. There was that one thing we did plan on eating at that one outpost. Forget what it's called now, but the online information just showed some fantastic looking food, and that was kind of on our mission thing, but they're closed. So now that we've done a scenic thing and the place we was gonna eat is closed, it says the online hours, it says that they're open, but you go up there to the door, the lights are out and it's closed. So it's not that we didn't research and think they were open, rightly so, according to their hours. It's closed up, lights are off. So we're done up here in the hill. We're about a half an hour. We can actually go travel about half an hour. We're gonna be down to about 2,500 feet. Yeah, from like 5,000 plus feet. We're gonna be down to about 25, so it'll be warmer. And we're gonna find places that are open that we can eat at. Oh, the snow, the bright snow. We are still in California, here at the Mountaintop Market. Gasoline is $4.09 a gallon. In California, not bad.